it requires some kind of preparation before it can overcome all the layers surrounding the oocyte. The ovum is more or less a 6-layer structure. The oocyte, the cell, the egg cell, is located inside. So the sperm cell needs to overcome all those layers to be able to encounter the oocyte. Once it is released, it doesn't have the capacity to do that. So there are several biochemical events that will occur on the sperm cell to qualify it to do what? To overcome those barriers and be able to encounter the oocyte. That preparation is called capacitation. So naturally, a freshly released sperm cell is naturally incapacitated. Does that make sense? It's incapacitated. But so in order to prepare it to encounter the oocyte, it has now to acquire capacitation. So we are going to be talking about the concept of capacitation. The concept of sperm capacitation. So when a sperm has been capacitated, then it can now penetrate the egg cell, and then we see that fertilization has taken place. So we are going to discuss that, and after that, we're now going to discuss the next one is we talk about penile erection, sperm ejaculation, sperm emission first. Sperm emission, sperm ejaculation, and penile retraction. The physiology of this. So this has to do with the actual process of mating. For the male animal to effectively mate the female animal, it has to perform in this order. First of all, there should be penile erection. After penile erection follows sperm emission. After sperm emission follows sperm ejaculation. After sperm ejaculation, we have sperm retraction. Then after that, the sperm cell that has now been released will travel through a duct. Travel through what you call the sperm transport. It comes out from of course, it is already produced and stored in the epididymis. From the epididymis, it goes to the ductus deferens. From the ductus deferens, now comes out to the penile urethra. From the penile urethra, now moves outside. So, we are going to be talking about sperm transport. Sperm ductal transport. So we're going to be mentioning things like the root testis, the efferent duct. We're going to be mentioning the epididymis, which is one, epididymis, two, so epididymis. Axis. Remember, this is general. I call it here gonadal. Gonadal. It's going to be gonadal, not gonadal. So here now, the specific gonad in this case is what? The testis. So it's going to be now hypothalamic pituitary testicular axis. Does that make sense? So here, we will be discussing how the seminiferous tubules will produce what we call androgen binding protein. Then the androgen binding protein now flows through plasma and goes to the male sex cells are called spermatogonia. This is the male sex cell formed at birth. The male sex, the primary male sex cell, which has not been mature, which is immature. So the germ cell for production of mature stem cell is spermatogonium. Spermatogonium. This is one, just one. Plural will be spermatogonium. So the male primordial sex cell formed in the fetus, which is immature,